we're going to go ahead and plant a new banana corm or rhizome. And this is one that I've already cleaned up from the other day. And some of the things to notice is, number one, is when I dug it out of the ground, and this is the original plant here, is you'll notice I've taken all the roots off, looking for insect problems or any major disease problems. And you'll also notice here is the sword sucker, and this is what I mean about being very, very well attached to what you could call the mother plant or the corm or the rhizome. And so we're going to plant this whole piece, and this will sprout out with new roots, and this plant will take off, and then eventually it will also send out some new suckers, and we'll start a whole new mat by just doing this. Now, I have already prepared a hole, and I'm going to try to dictate what direction I want this to start out in. So I'm going to put the sucker facing this way in the hopes that any of the new suckers will start out and come out to the sides. So let me just, and we're going to basically bury this thing, bury this corm, just like this. You'll also notice there's a lot of rock and there's a lot of compost, decomposed compost, and this is from repeated mulching of this banana area. You'll notice that I have this built up with some rocks as a barrier along the edge here, and that is the barrier where I've been adding mulch and compost for a long time, building up a soil layer so that we have a deep, rich soil layer, even though I do have a lot of rocks in this soil. And so I'll go ahead and get a shovel and just fill this in. A banana either bought from a nursery that's in a container, you can do the same thing. Dig the hole, place it in the bottom of the hole, you know, the pot with the, take it out of the pot, put it in the hole, go ahead and basically plant it just like you would any other tree. You really want to soak these in really well. And bananas benefit from a lot of organic matter, and compost, which part of it is compost, and mulch. I'm going to go ahead and layer some of the mulch, extra mulch that I have here, and the mulch will help hold in this moisture.